Namaskar. Welcome to BSc YouTube educational channel. I am Kiran Kumar Pradhan, teacher educator, Diet Moyurbhanj, Baripada. Today, I will discuss about the internal structure of Earth, that is tectonic plate. In this session, we will discuss about what is tectonic plate, name of different major tectonic plate, movement of tectonic plate, type and effect of plate movement. What is tectonic plate? The earth surface is made up of large plates. These plates are known as tectonic plates, which are rigid in nature and above the mantle layer. The tectonic plates do not stay fixed in one position. Instead, they are in constant movement, and the movement speed is about few centimeters per year. Therefore, it is not uh, generally observed in naked eyes. Let us discuss about the history of tectonic plate. About 225 million years ago, the present continent were combined into a single supercontinent called as Pangaea. After few years, about 25 million years, this supercontinent divided into two parts, that is Eurasia and Gondwana land. Because of formation of a depression which create the Tethys Sea. After that, these two parts again drifted into seven continents, which are found in the present days. Let us look the major tectonic plate in Earth. You can see the Eurasian plate, Eurasian plate, Australian plate, Philippines plate, North American plate, South American plate, Atlantic plate, Arabian plate, African plate, and Indo-Australian plate. Now let us discuss the type of tectonic plate. There are two types of tectonic plate, continental plate and oceanic plate. The tectonic plate, which is above the continent, is called as continental plate, and the plate which is below the ocean is called as oceanic plate, which are found above the mantle layer. You can see different tectonic plates are drifted into different direction. Now let us discuss about plate movement. Due to the movement of plate, there are three types of boundaries are formed, and these boundaries are like convergent boundaries, divergent boundaries, and transform boundaries. So depending upon the nature of plate movement, there are three types. It is divided into three types: divergent, convergent, and transform. Here you can see, in case of divergent movement, two plates move away from each other, forming into the new region and a depressed region. And in case of convergent movement, two plates converge each other, two plates move each other. This form into the formation of mountains and volcanic eruption. And in case of transform movement, two plates move in sidewise. Therefore, no major formation of earth crust. Now the question arises, what will happen when two plates come towards each other, that is in case of convergent movement? What will happen in the surface of Earth in case of divergent moment, and what will happen in case of transfer moment? Is there any such major change in the Earth surface? You can fill up this form. The cause of convergence moment and its effect, divergent moment, its effect, and in transfer moment and its effect. Now let us discuss about the convergent moment. When two tectonic plates comes together into one region, forming into one part pushed in upward and another part may push in downward. This is generally found when two continental plates comes each other, two plates at the meeting point move in upward region, forming into the mountain range. Whereas in case of convergent moment of oceanic plate and continental plate, the oceanic plate generally goes down and down, and the continental plate goes in upward region which form into the mountain. This figure is shown here. But here two continental plates move towards each other and forming into the high peak of mountains. Example, Himalayan range. In case of Himalayan range, the Indo-Australian plate divided and forming into the Indian plate, and the Indian plate moved towards the Eurasian plate. Eurasia plate and Indian plate combine each other, forming into the Himalayan range. Now here you can see about the conventional current and conventional current due to the plate movement. Here in mantle layer, due to heat of earth and rotation of earth, the magma are rotated in different plates and forming into the volcanic eruption. Now let us discuss about divergent plate movement. In case of divergent plate movement, two plates separate each other, forming into the new space in the Earth's surface. In the continental plate, a valley is generally found, and in case of divergent moment in oceanic region, a trench is generally formed. So here the valley formation is shown here. When two continental plates move away from each other, they form a valley. Volcanic eruption may erupt, earthquake happen, and trenches are formed in ocean. Here Mariana Trench is shown in Pacific Ocean, the deepest point of Earth. This is due to the movement of two plates in different direction, that is the divergent plate movement. Now the third type of plate movement is transform plate movement. Here no major effect is there. This is, in this case, two plates move in side movement. So therefore, on the surface of Earth, there is no formation of new land. No lithosphere is formed. Earthquake generally happens in Earth crust. Therefore, there is no major effect is found in case of transfer moment. In conclusion, we have discussed about the plate, tectonic plate and their movement. Three type of plate movement: divergent, convergent and transform. So we have discussed about motion, effect, topographic change and volcanic activities. In divergent movement, spreading is there. Therefore, this constitute the construction of a new land. Volcanic eruption is also found. In case of convergent movement, subduction is there. Two plates come each other. Land is generally moves upward some part, and some part may go in downward direction. Formation of mountain. Some trends may there. Volcanic eruption happen, and in case of a lateral movement, there is no such cases happen. Thank you.